Kia ora everybody. Ross here, just like the name badge says, here we are at the end of April. Another month, 6 weeks before we're up and running for the winter. Yes, it's snowing around about me. I've got Louise McQuillan here with me. Now Louise is our technical manager for NZ Ski. And the wind's getting up, isn't it, Louise? It's right in your face.
It's right into my face.
I might be the one that's been talking to you all summer about the project, but actually Louise is the project manager. Without her, I would be getting my steps wrong every now and then, so it's great to have Louise standing here. As I sort of walk away, Louise will be taking over these little reports heading into the end of summer. So let's talk about the last month. What's been going on?
We have been very busy over the last month, haven't we, Ross?
Snowmaking, quite a bit done in that.
Lots of snowmaking pipes in the ground, which is pretty exciting for Shadow Basin. We've never had snowmaking in there before.
I think we're going to have something like 16 in total, 18, but we've got a little bit of work to do next summer. But 16 fan guns will be operating this winter up in Shadow Basin. That's the plan.
The biggest milestone for the lift last month was the splicing.
Yes.
So you might be able to see behind us that the rope is on the line.
Haul ropes on. They've actually just replaced or put a chair on there as well. Times are moving pretty quickly now, and from here on, and they're still doing a bit of work in the top station. That's so to get to the point of putting the cable on. The whole top station has been built. Everything's internal now with electrics and all that sort of thing. Still a little bit of work with commissioning is the next step over the next month. So a lot of it's indoors undercover and running that chair, getting all the rest of these chairs on.
Do you want to tell us a little bit more about the splicing and what goes on that?
Yeah, it's an interesting exercise. So there's one splice, there's two ends of the cable come together, and if I just use my fingers here, there's about, I'm not sure how many strands, actually 6 strands or 7 strands on each end, and they actually weave them together. It takes a crew of about 8 or 10 people to weave the cable around the cable, if you like. We have a specialist that comes out from Austria. What was the guy's name? I should know.
Hannes?
Hannes, that's right, and he's been here before, certainly doing Sugar Bowl a few years ago, but there's very few of these guys in the world that actually do the actual splicing. So it's weaved together, tightened up, and then put up on the bull wheels at either end, tensioned up, and we're away. Simple as that. Sounds simple, doesn't it?
It does. It sounds really easy, this chairlift project, Ross.
Oh yes, no, I wouldn't say that, but it's a technical matter, I call it, you know.
It is.
As far as the project goes, obviously that splices in, chairs are going on, and then one of the big things they've got to test is the actual load testing of the chairlift. So they put all the chairs on, and then on each chairlift they put a 120 litre containers that hold about 100 kilograms of water, 6 of those, 600 kgs on each chair, and then they take it through all its steps of starting, running, emergency stops, through all the different emergency stops to make sure that it's ready for us. We'll be opening this chair as soon as we can, as soon as the snow's here. But pretty much by that stage, I'll be stepping aside, Louise.
By that stage, Ross will have his feet up in the sunshine somewhere, and we'll have our feet on the ground skiing remarkables.
Yes, you will.
So this will be the last time you will see Ross on the Shadow Basin update, but I'll be back next month to give you another update on where we're at and how close we are to opening.
It's great to know that we're in good hands, Louise. Good on you.
Yeah, we've also got a great team behind us working on this chairlift with Doppelmayr, Base Contracting, Natal Love and our NZ Ski team. So plenty of people on the job over the next month to get this project finished.
Yep.